Yasmin, salamat ka. Nagay dyan. Wala ko maglay nga ani dyan. Nagay dyan.
In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change your name to beautiful.
Don't worry about that extra line that's creeping up upon your face. It's just a part of nature's way to say you've grown a little more. Trees have rings and thicker branches. Kids' shoes get a little tighter. Every year we're getting closer to who we're gonna be. It's time to celebrate the story of how you've come to be. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you, Nanay! Pasensya na ka, maura ni ako na kaya, is-surprised ka. Gusto lang kong magpasalamat sa tanan-tanan nga imong kaayo nako. Labi na sa mga time sa una, na permimi mag-away ni mama kay kusog ko mo tubag-tubag. Anha ko dagan nimo. Syempre, liwat gud ko nimo, maldita. Dili man ko ang pinakagwapa na apo, pero ako ang pinakamaldita sa tanan nimong apo, ug buutan sad. Ha ha ha. Bitaw nay amping ka kanunay, kay mingaw na ko sa atong banding sa una, nga magkuyog-kuyog ko nimo bisan asa. Mamaligya og mangga, saging, kamatis, atsal, ube, kamote, magkuyog-kuyog, magpagaling og mais kadlang dako. Basta nay, I love you so much. Miss you so much. See you soon. Basin pohon makauli ko sunod tuig. Basta maayo na ang panahon. Enjoy and God bless. This surprise is from your apo, Jasmine. Happy birthday!
In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change your name to beautiful. You should change your name to blue. Make tears impossible. Wish that I could have you with me every time I fall. In a world that's so imperfect, I know you will cry through faces. You should change your name to beautiful.
Yasmin, salamat ka. Nagay dyan. Wala ko maglay nga ani dyan.
I don't think you minded if I change your name to something new. Would you think it childish if I change my name to I love you?